tech hypnotist here, and we're gonna take a look at the Tesla Model X Plaid. So, a few weeks ago, the Plaid models of the Teslas were released, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago, and we're gonna just take a look at it. So, right on the home screen, you can see it says 340 miles, and 2.5 seconds it can accelerate 0 to 60 miles per hour. And it has a 1020 horsepower. Go down. It says it has all new interior. And first look at the interior. There's no top portion of the steering wheel, which all cars usually have. And I see another feature like where there's like a screen in front of like the steering wheel. And they're also, of course, like the original Tesla screen. So when you go down, it says a 17-inch cinematic display with a 2200 times 1300 pixel resolution. And I don't know why it's going to this page a lot, but it's ultra bright, true colors, and exceptional responsiveness. The new center display is the best screen to watch anywhere. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. And focus on driving, the ultimate focus on driving, no stocks and no shifting. So the reason I really like this no stocks and no shifting is because you can focus on the road, you can focus on your safety. And when you try to give like an indicator, turn the indicator on or something else, it may prevent like you not looking at the road, which is not unsafe. And perfect environment, clean, powerful yet invisible cabin conditioning, tri-zone temperature controls, ventilated front seats, and HEPA filtration comes standard. So it's talking about the air conditioning there where it's filtered air. And spacious cabin. Yeah, so you can choose a 5, 6, or 7-seater car, which is very nice. You can add on seats if you want. And yeah, to suit you. With the panoramic windshield if you want. Okay, going down. Wireless gaming. So up to 10 teraflops of processing power enables in-car gaming on par with today's newest consoles. Wireless controller compatibility lets you game from any seat. So when the first look at it, it's like where the place where you put small things in your car. It's like on the back of it. And I don't know if you'll like look down to game on there. I feel like behind the seats is the usual like how it's usually, but this could work this way. And stay connected, multi-device, Bluetooth, wireless, and USB-C charging for every passenger. This is very helpful because you always forget your cables in at home or something, and you really need to charge your phone. So all you have to do is put your phone on there if it's compatible with wireless charging, and it'll work. Your best audio system. So it has a 22 speakers, 960-watt audio system with active noise canceling, offering the best listening experiences at home or on the road. If you really like to listen to music and really want good speakers, I think you should. This could work for you. And here's a picture of the car. Seeing all the basic information. And beyond ludicrous. So it's Plaid. With the most power and quickest acceleration of any SUV, Model X Plaid is the highest performing SUV ever built, both long-range and Plaid powertrains, with updated battery architecture. Can deliver instant torque at any speed, which is very nice. Electric powertrain, long range and Plaid platforms unite powertrain and battery technologies for unrivaled performance, range, and efficiency. New module and pack thermal architecture allows faster charging and gives you more power and endurance in all conditions. So the whole base of the car is very strong and sturdy. And you can choose to either package the long range or the plaid. The plaid is the newest one, the long range is the normal one. Tri-motor all-wheel drive platform with torque vectoring features 3 independent motors, each with a carbon fiber sleeved rotor that maintains peak power outputs all the way to top speed. So it's talking about how the torque and the speed, it's very it'll go to a very high power and you can accelerate really quickly. And utility, even more capable. With the most storage space and towing capacity of any electric SUV, and seating for up to 7 adults, Model X delivers maximum utility. Front doors open and close automatically. Falcon wing doors allow for easier loading in standard trailer hitch. Lets you bring your gear anywhere you go. So it's like talking about the normal X where it has the Falcon doors and you can attach accessories to it and everything. It has 91 cubic feet of storage capacity and 5,000 pounds of towing capacity and falcon wing doors like usual. Yeah, and designed for efficiency with the lowest drag coefficient of any SUV, Model X is built for speed and range. Refined aerodynamic elements work together with new wheels and tires to help you travel further with sharper handling and better ride comfort. So if you really like comfort, this is good for you then. Has new wheels and tires. New performance tires deliver better handling and ride quality with lower rolling resistance and paired with new aerodynamic wheels for updated look. Optimized aerodynamics. Attention to detail on all exterior surfaces makes Model X the most aerodynamic product SUV on Earth. And refined stylic exterior design combines an iconic look with elegant proportions. Yeah. And you can go everywhere, travel further on a single charge with any other electric SUV, and keep going with access to 25,000 superchargers globally. And every week there's more superchargers coming, so you don't have to worry about them. And by combining up to 360 miles of estimated range with Tesla fast charging technology, you'll spend less time charging and even more time on the road. So if you're a road trip person, this is good for you. And here's a map showing where the screen can calculate your route from different places. And the car is also built for safety. Model X is built from ground up as an electric vehicle with a high-strength architecture and floor-mounted battery, packed for incredible occupant protection, lower rollover risk. So it's very strength. It has a lot of strength, and it's can protect you very well. And every Model X includes Tesla's latest activity safety features such as automatic emergency braking at no extra cost. And 360 degrees rear side and forward facing cameras provide maximum visibility and power of visual processing at up to 250 meters of range. It's for autopilot, ultrasonic sensors. Detects nearby cars, helps prevent potential collisions and assisted parking. So, ultrasonic sensor, if you're wondering, is a sensor that sends out electrical waves that of sound, and it measures much time it takes for the sound to bounce back, since sound waves bounce back. For people who are wondering, and this is all about the autopilot, which you can do in almost any Tesla. And there's navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, summon, and auto park. All not only to the Plaid, but all models have this. And here's the specs of the Model X. there's the plaid and the long range. We'll look at the plaid. So the range is 340 miles. The peak power is 1020 HP. That's a horsepower. Wheels are 20-inch or 22-inch. Towing is 5,000 pounds. Seating up to 7. Yeah, this is the Model X.